a member of the state, sees someone post a symbol of Prince's son, what is the damage according to the statute?
Well, you can, assuming that would be considered his likeness, you could go after the profits that that person made from selling that product, and you can also get punitive damages. And if it goes to trial and you're successful, you can also recover attorney's fees and costs. So the penalty could be quite steep in a situation like that.
So what are you predicting? Is it going to pass, or is there a lot of animosity going on between the state?
When they introduced it, they only had a couple of weeks left in the session. I think they're going to pass something. This statute, I think, has some problems with it. It's vague in some areas, and there's so many other state statutes that have stood the test of time. It seems like they could just
model it
after some of those other statutes. But I think that I've never lived in Minnesota. I've been there, but clearly Prince was, a hero in that state. He was, a world-class celebrity and entertainer, and he didn't leave Minnesota. He stayed in Minnesota, and there's a strong recognition and love of Prince there. And so I think they're going to pass something, but it may not be in the form as it was introduced. But I think they need to. I mean, I don't think it should be a free-for-all on...
At least not the likeness, right?
Right.
Well, and I'm sure there's a reason why they call it Prince's Law, right? Just to remind you why we're actually putting
They call
it
it Prince's Law. Now, that's an acronym for, I could look it up, but it stands for something to do with names can endure or something. I don't remember the exact acronym, but we can, you can look it up.
Well, I'm sure they tried to fit
of course,
with it.
Absolutely,
name,
right. Absolutely. I mean, clearly it was in response to Prince, and they named it Prince's Law because of, the connection with Prince.
Well, it should be seen. I think that's kind of an interesting tidbit, even though the likeness, using the name, I'd imagine is some form of likeness, but this is government. So
and one commentator I read about it said the way the statute is written, the statute probably violates itself.
Right.
Which would be a first. Sue the state legislature. Maybe they'll sue the state legislature for using Prince in the...
use their own statute to sue the...
Exactly.
Well, thanks we have to keep our viewers posted on this. And
absolutely.
It actually passes.
Yes,
but thanks for explaining that. And thank you guys for listening. Definitely comment if you have any questions. And we'll see you next time.
Bye-bye.